Good morning, student. Today we will start with chapter number 2, which is about the head and body section. In the previous lecture, in the previous chapter, we have already learned that how the HTML is working. Basic tags we have learned. Now we have to learn about the two parts of HTML, which are the head and body part. Now, an HTML document is divided into two sections. What are they? Head and body. Head. The head section of a HTML document provides the necessary information. Okay, the information which are regarding the document that all displayed by the head, because head contain title and other tags also that you have to study in further. Now, the content of the head section is included into head section. Now, head tag and closing head tag. We already know that if we want to give the title of our page, we used head title tag, but it is in the head tag, and you also have marked that the head section data cannot display on the screen. Okay, the title is not display on the output screen, but it is display on the title bar. Now, combination of these head tags and the content between these is known as a head element. Now, some of the tags are there in the head section that is displayed the content, but that you have to study in a further manner because it is come in JavaScript. That's why. Now, first obvious thing that can be included into head section is a title. We already know that the title is already included in a head section. It is to be noted that the title will be displayed as a content of the web page. It is not displayed as a title of the browser. Okay, mind well that it is not a title of a web browser showing the web page. Clear all of you? It is displayed as a title of a browser window that shows the web page. Now, it is to be noticed that if a title is not specified, most browsers display URL path. We all know that the URL path is displayed. What is URL? When you open anything, like I am just opening here some of the Chrome part. Now, you can see that if I have opened here Google. So, what is this? This is the URL part. Clear all of you? Whatever written here, HTTP, whatever it is there, it is called a URL part. Clear all of you? Now, next is further the title tag must have the closing pair. We all know that title is a container tag, so it's have a opening tag as well as closing tag. Failing to use of this closing tag, the whole content will be considered as a title. If you do not put the closing title tag, the whole content will be possible that they might contain all the content will be as a title. Now, failing the possible that HTML loaded into the web browser. Now, head section is also contains the additional information about the HTML document. Now, we only know that the title tag contains the title of the web browser, but now there are some of the other tags that contain the information about the HTML documents, and that are known as a meta tag. Okay, we already know that what is this title. Okay, title is the title given by a user to a particular web page. But now there is not only title in the head, there are some of the other tag also that display the information about the HTML document, and they are known as a meta tag. Meta tags are used to store the information usually relevant to the browser and the search engine. Okay, it is give us information about the browser as well as search engine. Now, addition of the appropriate meta tags describes the nature of a web page precisely and make it easy for the search engine to search the web page effectively. Now, they have the facility to take a search engine easily find out what search engine used for the browser, who made this web browser. That all information are given in a head section. Now it is about the description about the meta tag. What is this? Most of search engine will be display the description when they put the result of a search to the user. In absence of such description, the search engine will display only few words. For an example, meta name description contained about rainbow and its colors. Now this is a simple example of meta. It will be not your practical part, but you have to understand what is meta tag. Clear all of you? Meta tag gives us the information about the web browser. Now web browser is it is not display on a content of your output, but it contains the information only. If anyone want to search, then they can go through by this. Now meta name description contained about the rainbow. Now some of the keywords are also there. Keywords provided in this tag will be used by the search engine. Now search engine, what are they? Google. If you want that who made this, by whom this web pages make, or that particular person have how many web page make, then that time this will be useful you. Meta tag, meta name, bracket keywords contained rainbow. Clear all of you? Now name of important characteristic objective of the web page. Important topic may be enlisted as a keyword. Now you can see that content rainbow, then VIBGYOR. We all know that what is Vibgyor. It is the first letter of the rainbow color. Now next is I want to know that author, then meta name bracket author contained MK Gandhi. Clear all of you? So it will shows the author name, and MK Gandhi have made how many pages, that also they will display. Now comments. Now what is the comments? Comments is the additional information about the particular tag. That I want to give a description about the MK Gandhi, then that time I will not write all the things, because it will be display on my web page also. So now what is this? Comment. Comment is used for the additional description of a particular tag. Now how we can write a comment? This is the comment starting tag, and this is the comment end. Clear all of you? When you want to start writing about, I am giving you example of MK Gandhi, that MK Gandhi was born on particular day. He had made so many pages and so many websites. It's about the website information. So when I start my writing, then I first use this tag, and when I completed all about the MK Gandhi information, then I will close this. Clear all of you? Now other meta tags. Now first of all is a meta http equiv refresh content 5. Now what is this? If you want to refresh your page, you use F5, but this meta tag allows us to refresh and then contain 5. What is that mean? After 5 minutes or every 5 seconds they will refresh the page. Now they have given here example URL http test.com, means every 5 seconds the http test.com is refreshed, so that any new information has come on this particular page, we can recognize it. Now HTML base. What is base? Here you can see that base href http test.com. Base means it is used for the target. Now there are some of the head tags which are used in a head open and head closing tag. What are they? Title, base, link, meta, script and style. Okay, we all know about the title, base, meta, but this too will become in a further study. See that meta, name, description, content about the rainbow. Clear all of you? And this is the comment. You can see that starting comment and end comment. Now this is not at all your party practical, but you have to understand it. What is meta, what is base, what is comment. It will be asked you in my MCQ. Clear all of you? Now body section. The body section of an HTML document is written in body and body closing tag. The HTML body element act as a container. I have already told you, if the tag having a opening and closing both tag, it means that it is a container tag. Now within a browser, in a previous chapter we have seen some of the tags related heading, paragraph and formatting that can appear in a body section. Now this tag usually requires some content between them. There are some tags which do not require any content and hence are called the empty tag. Now remember that what are that's called empty tag, that the tag usually require content but some of the tag doesn't have any content, then it is known as a empty tag. If you are using title and you are not writing anything in a title and just to close the title tag, it means that it is an empty tag. Now example of a such a empty tag are br tag. Clear all of you? It might be asked you in a MCQ that what is the empty tag, which are the empty tag, then that time you have to know that br is a empty tag. Now let us see the tags and attributes in the body section. Now first of all is the background image. Clear all of you? Now I will explain you in a practical part also, but just this is the overview. Now background image, it is used to put a background image in a background of your page. Now next is a background color also there. Now this is all about theory. In the next video I will explain you how you have to put background color, background image into the HTML page. Clear all of you? Thank you.